get rid of me going to Katlehong, Germiston. So I was preparing and wearing my shoes, fitting them if they're good enough to work with. So everything is packed. So yeah. Was Saturday Appa and I was preparing to go wearing skirt and the shirt from KKM, designed by Kekamuhawo. And then there's Tidra Pinifa from Osusniki, stitched by Nikki. I was late, so I was trying to be fast by all means so that I can make time. Finally, I left and I was going to Gumam. Nafika ke eyadini, late, rushing all the way so that I cannot be late for my day. Oh, nafika ke, took mirror selfie because the transport wasn't yet there, doing all the moves just to make the time go. Yay! I can pin to mirror selfie with the beret. Kalung no beret, but I like Duke. So the transport was near the Conamans tea selfie if it yourself. Okay. Leaving finally on my way to Katlehong. Say Josie Maboneng. Sati. At Germiston finally. We were at Germiston. The road was too long. Finally, we are in Katlehong, close by. Basafika ezakhelweni zabaprofethi endlini kababa noma lithuna apha kuleli khona Masango notata Marago. So I was just relaxing, taking some snaps since I was tired and didn't have to move around. They had. I went on the other side, it was packed like nobody's business. So we're busy strolling and moving around since it wasn't time yet to go eat. Abantu sekugcwala kuyalina le akusabambeki ngoku. Things are already almost out of control. Kwahlaleke. I won't bake again that. Yay, yabe inyakanyaka. I must get push ukungena egate because it's already packed. Sise number 9 aka excited yintoni iyajamba mntakaba mna ndiyamoyikisela ngakithi ndahamba ke ndojonga if there's still opportunity for me to enter ship ndotshintsha. I came back and waited here for the time. yangena ngi-banned for i-service ka-7, so I had to wait for it to pass so that I can go after it. It's almost kalakatha phakathi ke sana kwi-service ka-10 p.m. phofu koko bendingene ngo-7 khaniphinde ndiphume. So now i-band iyangena for uvula u-10 p.m. service at church. Andiguli ke phofu.
And we saw that the land had slavery. And we remembered behind. He said, I will just go to the Lord. He won't call me the son. He will take me as an employee. The knowledge is abolished. And everything that was given is abolished. Peace be with you. We are here, we ran from a place of salvation. A place where we shall remember what we were, and what are we now. You know that the person forgets quickly.
The fire, he collapsed. And he couldn't stand. You submit. That is why in all the prayers he says, Father, as well.
No.
Father is standing with Father. Itsamboka mihla yose hani inwa. Lihleli
Kodwa kusalala uyayibona le nto le manje uyangixoxela ukuthi angazi kwakunomuntu